In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix NVIDIA not clipping on FiveM. So this basically means that NVIDIA is unable to detect your game, and in order to fix this problem, it's really simple. You want to simply head over to your FiveM file location, search for FiveM, click on the open file location, right click on it once again, click on open file location once more, and then click on the FiveM application data. In here, you want to look for the Citizen FX bin. You want to open it up, and basically all we have to do is to type disable NVSP equals 0, and this will be able to fix our problem, which is the NVIDIA not detecting our FiveM game. Click on file, click on save, and then you want to click on the X button, launch your FiveM application, and from there you should be good to go. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.